Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add TikTok Shop to Shopify. So let's get started. So first thing first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the search button, and from here we're just simply gonna type TikTok. And then from here you would want to go for this app. If you can see this, then you can click on search for TikTok in the App Store right here. So you'd be seeing a bunch of apps right here, and what you want is TikTok right here. So you want to click on this right here, and then you want to click on install so that you'd be able to install TikTok into your store right here. And we're just going to close this. And from here we would need to click on the install button. Click on that. And now from here we're just going to wait for it, and then we will now be redirected here, wherein we would be setting up our TikTok right here so that we would be able to connect it. So we would need to click on setup now, and from here you see TikTok for business, so you would need to connect this one. If you don't have a TikTok business account, then you can click here on create new. So we're just gonna click here on connect. And now once you have successfully entered or logged in your TikTok business account right here, or maybe created a new one, then you would have this pop-up wherein you can now connect your Shopify and TikTok business right here. So I'm just gonna click on connect right there. And now that we have connected our TikTok shop right here into Shopify, the next thing is that we can go here into the TikTok ads manager. So you can go click on create new, and right here, so from here we don't have this one, so we're just gonna click on create new, and then from here we're just gonna go and sign this up, check that box, and from here go for sign up and connect. And from here what we're gonna do is just wait for that to finish loading, and let's see. And now as you can see, we are now all good. And now we are here in the data sharing, and in this case you can just choose whatever you want right here. You can read this first before choosing one depending on what you want right here. In this case I'll just go with enhanced, and from here I'm just gonna click on confirm. Now that it's confirmed, so now the next thing is that we are now all good to go. So the next thing is company information is click on setup, and from here you just need to fill up every information of your company right here. So now after you have provided your information, you also have this question if you are an agency right here, and of course your tax information if needed, and then you have your payment options. So normally you would have automatic payment right here, but in my case manual payment is the only thing that is available for me. But if you have automatic payment available right here, then you can also choose that option. And now I'm gonna click on confirm. After confirming, then now everything is good. Now I can click on finish setup, so click on that. And now that we have successfully set up and added our TikTok shop into our Shopify, all that's left is to wait for up to 24 hours because our account is currently in review. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.